Introduction. Pollution has significant impacts on human health, the environment, and even on how some of the earth systems, such as the climate and functioning. Pollution touches all parts of the planet. It is affecting our health through the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Pollution can take the form of chemical substance or energy, such as noise, heat, or light. Pollutants, the components of pollution, can be either foreign substance or energies or naturally occurring contaminants. Ozone depletion due to effects of CFC, HFC, etc. Eye, throat, respiratory tract irritations due to smog, SO2, etc. Spoiling and discoloration of building materials, destruction of crop, forest, and vegetations, etc. also. Abnormal climate changes, lung cancer, heart diseases, asthma, etc. in human beings. Fluorosis and mottling of teeth by action of hydrogen fluoride. Increased mortality and morbidity. Affect photosynthesis, growth of plants, yield, etc. Premature aging, necrosis, etc. also occur. Remedial measures to reduce effects of air pollution. Raise the height of smokestacks and chimneys of factories. Use furnace fuels. Grow trees. Use catalytic converters and neutralizers in automobiles. Neutralize fumes. Convert radioactive materials from gaseous or liquid state to solid state for storage and complete combustion of waste. Destruction of phytoplankton and also affect the growth and multiplication of marine organisms. Necrosis and cell death in animals. Massive death of marine organisms. Drastic reduction of fish population. Polluted water transmit cholera, hepatitis, typhoid, etc. Increased carbon dioxide in water unfavorable for aquatic organisms, harmful for drinking, bathing, etc. Some diseases are developed like blue baby syndrome, minor matter diseases, etc. Remedial measure to reducing water pollution. Cleaning of beach by removing tar balls, oil residues using sucking devices. Cleaning of rocks by pumping hot water. Collection of oil from water surface using some absorbents. Bioremediation help to degrade oil content using microorganisms. Introduce microbes to shoreline and nutrient mixtures using septic tank. Recycling of waste. Cooling of wastewater. Limited application of fertilizers. Soil pollution is adversely affecting fertility, productivity of organisms. It kills soil microorganisms, plants, animals. Serious radiation hazards to plants. Soil pollutant contaminate water, soil, etc. It leads to the destruction of planktonic life, fish population, and also cause genetic disorders, coma, paralysis, etc. Remedial measure to reduce soil pollution. Control tipping and sanitary landfill of biodegradable refuses. Complete combustion of waste, composting feces and organic matter, electric cremation of dead bodies, recovery and recycling of waste. Phytoremediation is the control of pollution using plants. Plants are sometimes used to remove or degrade some hazardous materials in groundwater and soil. Phytoremediation helps to control industrial effluents and wastewaters. It utilizes the natural ability of certain plants to degrade the contaminants such as metals, pesticides, crude oil, etc. present in soil, water, or air. Plants such as hemp, mustard, alpine pennygrass, and pigweed are known as hyperaccumulators, which have the ability to bioaccumulate pollutants. Phytoremediation technologies use living plants to clean up soil, air, and water contaminated with hazardous contaminants. It is defined as the use of clean plants and the microorganisms used to remove toxic environmental contaminants and make them as harmless. It helps plants to concentrate elements and compounds from the environment and to detoxify. One example is Indian mustard. Its botanical name is Brassica genesiae. Some of the heavy metals affect on cultivated land, making risk for human health. Brassicaceae species are really useful to accumulate certain metals while producing high quantities of biomass in the process, and Indian mustard is the star of this group. It can remove 3 times more cadmium than others, reduce 28% of lead, and also zinc, mercury, and copper, etc.